They can expect an audience full of investors and their peers that are going to have a look at them for their investment potential, for their market opportunity, and they're going to be judging them based on those two factors and whether or not they're going to have a captivating audience on the world stage from a market perspective. So that's really what presenting companies are going to be looking for. The investors are coming to OVS this year, both angels and venture capitalists, because they're seeing a lineup from across Ontario. I think they're also seeing more mature companies. In the last 2 years, we've seen a real growth in entrepreneurial spirit and in the companies that have been forming in Ottawa and across Ontario. So I think the companies that they're going to see this year are much more mature. Their products are in market for the most part. They're all raising money of approximately $1 million or more, and their presentation skills as well as the management teams are much more mature than they have been in the past. So I think from an Ontario perspective, they're going to see some of the best that Ontario has to offer. Well, we hope to see investments happen, and we hope to see companies do business with each other as well. So I think our ultimate goal is that we see investments and that angels and or venture capitalists put money into some of the companies that have presented. But I think more importantly than that, even we see some collaborations and some partnerships form, both by the big multinationals and the smaller emerging companies, as well as between these smaller companies themselves that are looking to maybe partner to do business on the global stage. They're from across all sectors. So the companies that we're seeing from across Ontario represent life science, clean tech, and ICT. Although if we get right down to the nuts and bolts in the ICT category, we're seeing a lot more mobile applications, wireless, and software to SaaS model types of sales. So those are the types of companies that we're seeing if we break down ICT. Clean tech is across the board, and life sciences is mostly medical diagnostics.